Hello, I'm Macho Marve, and I'm here because we are sweating, but also because we're going to be doing some yoga together. Let's go. Happy Halloween. All right, we're going to get started for your Halloween flow. So let's go ahead and have a seat together. Put on your favorite costume and join me, or feel free to get fully in your costume with your voice. So if you watched the beginning of the video, I had a slightly different voice. We're gonna bring our hands onto our knees and just kind of roll our shoulders back a couple times. You might notice my muscles are flexing the entire time this is happening, and I apologize, but I'm really strong today. Good, and then exhale, roll your shoulders way back behind you. We're gonna laterally stretch over to our right, so place your palm down, inhale, reach up and over your head. Sometimes your chest might get in the way, your muscles, your shoulders, big reach. And then exhale to the second side. Good, big stretch overhead. Reach. And then come back through center. Good, we're gonna switch the cross of our legs, and I want you just to take a simple fold in, okay? So you're just gonna walk your hands forward and bow down. And then inhale, re-lengthen. And then exhale, fold. And then inhale, slowly come up, nice and tall. And then exhale, we're gonna make our way to standing. So stand up nice and slowly. And I would like you to find the top of your mat. We're just going to inhale, bring our arms way up into the air. And then exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift your spine. Exhale, step back to a high plank pose, so the top of a push-up, please. And then press your heels back as you reach your heart forward. We'll lower through our first chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog or cobra. Pull your heart through. And then exhale to your downward facing dog. Good. Spread your fingers nice and wide. Spread your toes big. Press back through your chest. And then our next inhale, I just want you to step your right foot forward in between your hands. And then pull your chest through. Inhale, raise your arms way up into the air. Exhale, take your hands behind your back. Hold on to your low back. Inhale, lift and open your chest. And then exhale on your breath out. Frame your front foot, and we're gonna straighten this leg. Fold over the shin as much as you can, working into the hamstring, and breathe. Maybe even allow yourself to take your left hand, holding your right foot, and then twist and look over the right shoulder. Good. From there, inhale, reframe your leg. Exhale, bend your front knee. From there, we're going to step back to our high plank. So pick up your knee, lower again through chaturanga. Inhale, back bend. Heart comes forward and through. Exhale, down dog. Now let's do the second one. Step your left foot forward. Good. We're going to put our knee down. It's funny, stepping my foot forward is harder today with all these muscles in the way. And then inhale, raise your arms high to the sky. Good, we're gonna take our hands at our low back, and then inhale, push our chest and our heart forward. And then really sink and breathe into our hips and our legs. And then we're gonna exhale, work into that hamstring stretch. So we're gonna straighten out the leg, heel down, toes are up. And then use our opposite hand. So reach for the outside of your foot and twist and look over the shoulder. Good. And then we're gonna rebend our front knee together, this time stepping forward to the top of our mat. Lifting our spine halfway up. And then exhale, folding in. Inhale, rise all the way to stand. Reach up and over your head into a big back bend, and then pull the hands down to heart center. Pick up your right knee, raise the knee to the height of your stomach or your first set of your six pack, and then twist your left hand outside of your thigh as you reach your right arm behind you. Breathe into this and look over the back shoulder. And then exhale, come through center for me. We're gonna bring our hands to our heart center and then shift into warrior three. So reach your right leg back behind you, lowering your chest. From here, we're gonna try that again. We're gonna inhale, bring ourselves back up. Exhale, twist to your right. So look over the right shoulder. Good, inhale, realign, come back to center. Exhale into your warrior three. So kick back, lean forward with your heart. Hold here and breathe into your legs, breathe into your body, firm your bottom. And then reach your hands back, fly your arms. Find your inhale and then gently have a seat in chair, but take the arms open over your head. Exhale to bow forward. Lift your spine halfway. We're gonna step our left foot back. This time we're gonna stay on the ball of our foot and then reach our arms up into the air. Crescent lunge. Take a big inhale, hold the low back just like we did in a knee down lunge. Lift your chest up, broaden your shoulders. And then we're gonna bring our hands down, same as before, but our back knee is lifted, straighten the leg. Maybe take your left hand to the outside of the leg and then pull and look over the right shoulder for 3, 2, exhale, frame your foot, bend your knee, we're gonna step to plank. I'm gonna face you for side plank on the right palm, and then inhale, raise your left arm high into the air. Reach up through your fingertips, lift your hips and breathe here. Exhale, chaturanga. Let's lower together. Inhale, upward facing dog or cobra. And then exhale, back to your down dog. From here, we're gonna look forward and then just tiptoe all the way up to the top of the mat until we're in a forward fold. I wanna offer you crow pose here. So you're gonna place your hands down, bring your knees to your upper arms, look forward, and then pull your heels tightly to your bottom. Hold there for 3, 2, and then we'll release back to our forward fold. Step your feet into your hands to allow them to release the wrists from any tension. And then tailbone is lifted as we fold. Exhale from here, place your hands down. Inhale, rise all the way up to stand, reach high. And then pull the hands to your heart as we lift our left knee. Inhale the left knee up. Exhale, I'm gonna twist towards you, so you're gonna twist to your left, extending your left arm behind you. Breathe in and breathe out. On your next breath, we're gonna shift forward, hands are at our heart, and move into our warrior 3 pose. Good. Lifting through the chest, firming through the legs, and then pushing through this back leg. Come all the way back through stand, reach up, and then repeat your twist. So you might notice it becomes easier the second time through, or it becomes more challenging because you're getting tired. On your next breath, we're gonna gently come forward, reach up, and then come back to warrior 3. Take the arms back behind you. So we call this airplane arms. Allow your chest to reach forward. Hold here, firm your legs, lift through your back bottom. And then gently when we're ready, we're gonna release our feet together to our chair. Exhale, forward fold. Step your right foot back this time into a lunge. Staying on the ball of the foot, we're gonna inhale, raise our arms high into the air. Exhale the hands to the low back just like before, bend the front knee, peel your heart up to the sky. Good, and then exhale, frame your front foot. Straighten the leg, working on the hamstrings, lift the toes if possible, your choice. And then take the opposite hand and twist. 3, 2, bend into the front knee, and we'll step to our plank. We'll take side plank together, Vashisthasana, so left hand down. Inhale, reach your right arm up. Exhale, bring your hand back down. We'll take chaturanga together, lower. Inhale, up. And then exhale, push back. Good, breathe in and breathe out. Slowly lower your knees down. Untuck your toes and then lift your chest, pull it forward, get a nice stretch in your quads. Breathe in. Extend your arms out wide. Exhale, interlace the fingers behind the tail. And then lift your chest, pulling your hands and knuckles back towards your toes, opening your heart. Good, big breath in here. Exhale, release to tabletop, hands and knees. Stacking the shoulders, stacking the knees right under the hips. Inhale, lift your chest up. And then exhale, tuck your chin and look down. One more round, inhale up. And exhale down. Good work. From there, we're gonna find seated and we're gonna allow our legs to extend out to the left and to the right. So allow your leg to extend left and then right, reaching away from each other, flexing your feet. Sitting up nice and tall. Option 1, you're gonna stay right here because this might be challenging. Option 2, you're gonna shift your chest forward and down, trying to work into the groin a little bit here. Noticing the stretch in your hamstrings, take a full breath in, and then exhale, fold in a little bit more. Nice. Breathing in and out. And if you're in costume, you might notice this pose feels a little different than it normally does. Now, I want you to either stay here or I want you to drop in just a little bit more. Totally up to you. Maybe you keep walking your hands forward and then allow yourself to relax your head down. Exhale when you're ready, walk your hands back up nice and slow, and we're gonna twist towards our right leg. So I'm gonna mirror you, so I'm gonna go the other way. I'm gonna sit up nice and tall and then exhale, fold over the right leg. Now again, you may be more upright, otherwise fold in. Good, deep breath in, deep breath out as you fold. And then inhale, we're gonna come through center. We're gonna go over to our opposite side, so to our left side. And then we're gonna fold in over this leg. Good, full breath in. And full breath out as we fold. Inhale, make your way up through center. Exhale, relax here, sitting up nice and tall. From here, we're gonna allow our ankles to cross. And I want you to take your hands to your knees and just start to roll through your spine a little bit. And then exhale, we're gonna reverse that direction in the other way. Good, inhale, reach your arms way up to the sky. Just like we started, we're gonna take that lateral stretch to our right. So bring the palm down and over the head, stretch. And then to our left, bring the palm down over our head and stretch. Take a deep inhale through your nose, reach your arms really high. Exhale, bring your hands to heart center. Roll your shoulders up and then down slowly for me, and then find your breath in and your breath out. I hope you had fun today for our Halloween flow. So dress up, maybe do it again in a different costume, and enjoy your Halloween. Happy Halloween, guys, and thank you so much for practicing today. Boo! There's probably traffic because of my pumpkin. Hello.